Every perfect floor begins with the smallest detail, the way each tile is laid, aligned, and leveled. In this workshop, craftsmen demonstrate the thin laying technique, a precise method where cement and adhesive layers are kept minimal, ensuring maximum stability and clean alignment. Each movement matters, spreading the mortar evenly, controlling the moisture, and pressing the tile with the right amount of pressure. You can see how experience guides every step, from trimming the corners to maintaining perfect tile spacing. Then, in the second part, bricklayers showcase the art of ceramic tiling. They measure, cut, and align each piece with accuracy that only comes from years of practice. The trowel glides, the spirit level checks, and each tile settles perfectly, forming a smooth surface ready to last for decades. This is more than construction. It's craftsmanship in motion. The balance between precision, patience, and passion transforms simple tiles into a masterpiece underfoot.